Jai Hind. Welcome to Army Public School, Dhaula Kuan.
Let me take you to our ATL Lab. ATL Lab. We have won different trophies in different types of competitions, including state level competition, national level competition, and built a company. These are our innovative projects. We have laptops for coding purposes, a dredging workstation, and a pegboard with different types of equipment. We have a robo race arena in which we have organized different types of robo races. We have component boxes in which you can find almost every types of components from electrical to mechanical. This is our RC plane. This is a soldering station where you can find different types of machines like digital oscilloscope, a DC regulator power supply, multimeter, and function generator. This is a 3D printer workstation where you can find components like 3D printer and a 3D pen. Now let's introduce you to our innovative solutions.
Good morning. This is our project Mitra Bot, which is a custom designed portable bot used for emergency searches and rescue operations. I would proudly mention that this game-changing project has made us won a total sum of rupees 10 lakh at 3D PCOE Guwahati Challenge. Thank you.
Jai Hind. This is our ATL innovative project Sishu Raksha. In today's time, 60% of parents are working, and this is to make sure the baby's protection. This moisture sensor right here detects the baby's excreta, which is passed through in any forms, and alerts the parents. And this noise sensor right here, if the baby cries, then it will alert the parents, and this motor will start, which will rock the cradle so the baby can come.
Jai Hind. Today I would like to present Career Pathway, a website made for students and job seekers explore and succeed in different job opportunities. Our main feature is the job opportunities page, in which you can find different types of job opportunities like doctor, therapist, software developer, game developer, and much more.
Jai Hind. This is our project RC Frames that controlled by radio transmitter and receiver system. The project demonstrates the principle of aerodynamics, electronics and wireless communication that is used in real aircraft and drones. The wingspan of this aircraft is 120 cm and made up of balsam. That's all for project RC Frame.
Good morning. This is our 3D printing technology, which mostly includes 3D printer and 3D pen. Both of them work upon the same principle of additive manufacturing. Here are a few models that we have made using both of them.
Jai Hind. This is our project Vani Connect. Vani Connect is a smart glove that can translate Indian Sign Language instantly into speech and text-based output through our AAC-based website.
With rapid growth of technology, electronic waste has become a serious concern. So our project on electronic waste management solves this problem using simple sensors and basic automation. Thank you.
This is our project 5. It has a number of systems. First, we have the artificial rain system, which works by detecting the AQI. Then we have wireless electric vehicle charging system, which works through electromagnetic induction. And then we have an air purifier, which is placed in an area with heavy traffic and it sucks in the carbon emissions. Thank you.
This is Garuda, which stands for Guarding Area Response Unit against drone attacks. The main purpose of this project is to defend against drone attacks caused by criminal organizations by replacing the $1 million army missiles by self-made cheap drones.
Thank you.